Life isn't easy. It never was, and it never will be. But that's exactly why it's worth fighting for. You're facing challenges, obstacles, and maybe even moments where giving up feels like the easier option. But remember, the most successful people in the world didn't get there because things were easy. They got there because they refused to give up. Every single challenge you face is not a roadblock. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to test your limits, to learn, and to grow. Think about all the times you've struggled in the past, the tough days, the disappointments, but you're still here. You're still standing. And every time you overcame those challenges, you got stronger, smarter, and closer to your dreams. Success doesn't come overnight, and it certainly doesn't come to those who give up. Success is built day by day through small decisions to keep going when you want to quit. Every small step you take forward, no matter how insignificant it may seem, is a step toward your ultimate success. So when things get tough, remember this: your breakthrough is closer than you think. Just keep going. Your dreams are not a matter of if, they'll happen. They a matter of when. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. The path to success is filled with ups and downs, but it's the ones who persist, the ones who keep pushing, who ultimately succeed. You've got the power to change your life. All it takes is the courage to take that first step and the determination to keep moving forward. No matter what, stay focused, stay determined, and never stop believing in your potential. The world is waiting for you to rise.